Hi guys, I'm Andre and today we're gonna make the easiest thing ever. Let's make homemade butter. All we need is some double cream and any type of mixer you have. I have this attachment for my food processor, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay, and now we're gonna beat it till it turns into whipped cream, and then it's gonna start to separate and turn into butter and buttermilk. Okay, so as you can see, it turned into whipped cream. And if we continue, it's gonna separate and turn into nice butter. Okay, there it is. As you can see, butter and buttermilk. Okay, and all you need to do now is take all the butter and squeeze it. Make sure that you get all that buttermilk out. You can use this buttermilk for marinades or whatever. It's pretty good and healthy. And now I'm gonna use this greaseproof paper to shape the butter a bit. There it is, homemade butter. Now let's try it on a piece of toast. Just gonna add a bit of flaky salt. Very easy but delicious. If you like butter, you should really try this. Please like the video, subscribe and come back for the next one. Bye bye!